Hey guys, what's up with that? It's Peter Long back with another video. Today we're sitting outside, and today I'm sitting outside with my two nephews.
Wow! It's so much lightning!
Yeah, we're watching lightning. See? I don't know, wait. We're just watching fireworks and lightning. It's kind of weird. Like, I see sky and clouds. That's mostly.
There was a big one in it. It was really close to us. I thought we were gonna get hit.
Jay, it's too dark, see? It's too dark.
I see some people.
Oh! What the heck? Oh, I hope I got that on camera. I hope I got it on camera. So I wish I got the other one on camera. Where it was shocking lightning.
Yeah, the bigger one.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna point you outside the balcony that I'm on.
You guys, we need to eat some tomatoes. We have a couch on it, and I don't know why.
Yeah, probably. Okay, let's watch this.
Couch on my side porch. I saw a lightning bug.
Yeah, me too. Okay, let's just see. Let's watch the lightning come.
There was one over there.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah, we saw a big lightning bolt. We went to one cloud to the other.
There was like 3 of them.
Yeah.
You guys, I keep on seeing airplanes going back and forth.
Yeah, if we do, yeah, okay.
There's like 5. There's one right there. There's like 2 over there.
Oh! Okay, guys, do not stand on the edge. Also, guys, happy 4th of July. I know you can't see me. I'm going to show my face later when we go back inside.
Hopefully they see the lightning bolts
Yeah, hopefully.
and the fireworks.
Yeah. Probably not the fireworks. But hopefully the lightning.
Oh, that lightning.
So I'm gonna do something. Yeah, guys. I hope I caught that. So I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna fit Happy 4th of July and as dash lightning. I mean danger lightning. Oh! Oh! I saw the lightning. I saw the lightning.
Oh, I didn't. I just saw a big white cloud. Just thunder. Thunder! Thunder!
Oh.
Why does it always have to
Oh.
firework!
I guess wonder I'm using the FaceTime camera. Like it's not on the back camera, it's on the front camera. Because it's too bright. Okay, let's just watch this. You can literally hear the thunder, the lightning. You can literally hear the thunder a lot.
Peter, the best part is when it thunders really hard, my power doesn't go out.
So I'm saying,
What?
I hope lightning does not struck my phone and then hits me. I'm probably gonna die.
If you do, don't worry. I'll take over your channel.
No, you're not.
No, you won't.
I got waiting drops. Why?
Wait, why?
Oh.
Because I'm not like do this.
There's only one big cloud. Why?
Then do it.
No, shut up.
So you guys, right there, the one big cloud.
Do it later, Jay.
I hope you guys having a happy 4th of July.
We might as well just do it later.
Yeah, we
No, I'm gonna.
4th of July!
They
No,
can't,
I'm gonna. Don't worry.
we've been making
I'm
so much
gonna
noise.
do some fireworks
they
tomorrow.
can't hear us.
That's not really
We're gonna do fireworks in the city, and we're going to the city to see fireworks too again.
Yeah.
Right now, there's only a little bit, so that's why we were just out here.
Yeah.
Firework! I see one. You guys missed this.
Oh. So there's
There's so much lightning.
only one big cloud. That's amazing. Like there's probably a whole bunch of clouds, so I only see one big one.
Rest are pointy.
Awesome. What's it?
That cloud looks like an alligator.
What?
A big fat
It kinda
alligator.
does. Kinda does. Oh.
Looks like a big fat alligator.
Oh.
We'll do it later.
No.
Wally.
I
You
want
ever
to
How
see.
come every time a firework goes off, lightning
Upsilon.
goes off? That was actually a shooting star!
It's not a shooting star, Jay.
It's shaped as one though.
Jay, a shooting star is just like an asteroid.
You'll see it goes down like that very fast. And you make your wish very fast. But you don't say it out loud.
Oh! Now that's dangerous.
I don't think
Jay,
helicopters
Jay.
should be out.
You can tell when it's not an asteroid. You can tell when it's not a shooting star because look, there's 2 lights. There's only going to be one. Okay?
And it's big. And it's
Oh.
like
Yeah, back. Look.
You're back home?
Yeah, yeah. When it hits to like, I don't know, but I'm just gonna probably get. I'm just gonna mix these two together because I can do that.
Wow.
Man, I was in the city right now. Oh, somebody missed one.
What, was it big?
Kinda.
Oh.
It's on the star game and he just can't see you.
Terrible.
Man, I wish I had my flashlight right now.
I'm a... Hi.
Oh. Oh, let's give him over there.
No!
Jay, be quiet. I'll make the louder, okay, Jay? Oh,
What are those?
fireworks.
Peter. What are those?
Snickers. I mean, sneakers. I don't know why I said Snickers.
You want to eat your
How's
shoes?
it going? I'm a cow.
I wish.
Moo. I drink milk from a tits. Moo.
Oh,
Yo.
I'm a fat effing pig. I'm a common fungus. It's pretty country.
and I wish I was in the city right now.
And I'm Kanye West.
Guys, I'm gonna tell you guys when we're getting back inside. Hold on. 12%. It's good.
I'm Kanye West.
Oh, I saw one. I saw one.
I see you one again.
Oh, weird one.
You don't know what my wish is going
Oh, there's back at the clouds. That's why.
Wait, Peter, is your wish going to be true?
Maybe, Jay. Maybe.
We're seeing a lot more than when we first start. From when we first came out here.
Oh. Okay, I get.
A green one.
Okay, one more firework, and we'll go back inside. I'm afraid.
But we have to see it.
Yeah. Okay, one lightning. We saw about 5 lightning bolts. Or 5. Or 5
More than
lightning.
5.
We saw one.
We saw 5 big ones, but
Yeah.
I don't know
Can I
about
make a person
just
on your
lightning
phone?
bolts.
Hold on, Jay. Hold on. Whoa. Oh, firework! I saw it.
I didn't. We're going back to time.
Wait, Jay. We all have to see it. That's fair. That's fair. Oh.
Oh, I saw it.
Okay, Jay, you saw it? Are you there?
Oh, there's
Yeah,
another
we all saw it.
Okay, we're going
Let's
inside.
go back inside.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I'm good.
Happy 4th of July.
Yeah. Come on, Jay.
Can I make a person on your phone?
Hold on. Let me just lock the door. Come on, guys.
Can I make a person on your phone?
Come on, guys. We all have to say it. Come on, guys. Wait. Come on, Jake. Not Jake. Anyways, guys. Happy 4th of July. Come on, Jay. Okay. Come on, Jay. We gotta say it. Come on, back up. Come on. On the way. 1, 2, 3. Happy 4th of July.
Happy 1st of July.
Okay. Jinx. Give me a soda.
It's not wood.
It is wood. Anyways,
You
I'm
guys
gonna end the video here. I hope you have fun. And I'm gonna tell you, when I get older, I have like 3 channels, probably. And anyways, see you guys next time. Bye. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and go check out my channels. I'm gonna unblock my. Okay, just leave a like and subscribe. Hope you do your channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. I'll see you guys next time. See ya.